3.2 example 3. The ratio of your monthly allowance to your friend's monthly allowance is 5 to 3. The monthly allowance is total $40. How much is each allowance? So what we need to do here first is I'm going to rewrite my ratio. And then what I'm going to do is create a tape diagram. So it says the ratio of your monthly allowance to your friends, which means your monthly allowance comes first, your friends come second. So I'll just write a Y for your monthly allowance and an F for our friends' monthly allowance. So when I do this tape diagram, I know that your monthly allowance has 5 parts to the tape diagram because the part of your allowance is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the friends is only 3. It's about as even as I can get it. All right, and we know that in total, like if we were to total everyone's monthly allowance, we would have $40. Well, let's take a look and see how many pieces total there are. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we take this $40 right here and we divide it by 8 pieces, that will tell us how much each piece is worth. Well, I know that 40 divided by 8 is 5, so that shows me that each of these pieces is worth 5. We're going to double check and see, does that make sense? All right, well, if all of them together equal 40 and your monthly allowance to your friend's allowance is 5 to 3, well, your monthly allowance has 5 pieces, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and your friend's has the 3 pieces, 5, 10, 15. So I'll write it over on this side since I don't have room on the other side. Your monthly allowance would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And that could also be represented by 5 times 5. And your friends would be 5, 10, 15, or 5 times 3. All right, and so that gives us the answer, but you know me, I always want us to be able to double check. And so if we took the ratio 5 to 3, and I'm up here on the top right if you don't see, and then we took the amounts and we wrote those as a ratio, is there a number that we can multiply 5 by to get to 25? Well, we know yes, we can multiply it by 5. All right, and then we're going to see, is there a number we can multiply 3 by to get to 15? We say yes, we can multiply it by 5. And we can see there that since we multiplied both parts of the ratio by 5, we did do the right thing and we do have the correct answer because 5 times 5 is 25 and 3 times 5 is 15.